Which of the following is responsible for vocalization? So making noise, talking. So option A is the larynx, which is in fact another name for the common layman term of voice box, or your vocal cords, which is used for vocalization. And you can help to remember this if you think of the term laryngitis. So laryngitis is inflammation of the larynx. So itis is inflammation. Larynx is the larynges or the larynx. And if someone has laryngitis, you might think of them as having a very hoarse voice. It might be sounding like this because they're sick. So you can remember that to know that the larynx is involved with the voice box and therefore involved with vocalization. And therefore that should be our correct answer. As opposed to the other choices here, the pharynx is another word for the throat, which is the common term. So that would not be specifically for vocalization. It might feel like it's coming from your throat, but the larynx is a different structure within the throat. So that would be our correct choice, larynx, not pharynx. Option C is the trachea, which is lower down. You might think of it sort of as your windpipe. You breathe out of your trachea. So that would not be where vocalization specifically occurs. And then the alveoli, option D. These are very tiny air sacs in the lungs, which are involved with gas exchange. So this would be lower down, so it's in the lungs, and it's involved with gas exchange, so not specifically with vocalization either. So therefore, we know that options B, C, and D are incorrect, and option A, the larynx, would be the correct choice.